Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, a Guarantee RV to present to you 2018 pre-owned Jayco Seneca 37HJ with 6,700 miles on it. Kind of a rare find. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. Coming in, you'll see the striking colors, the beautiful coordination of all the interior on this coach. And this has an easy cleanup area right down here, so you can take your pets with you to the beach, wherever you're going. This is a great coach. Look at this couch, beautiful light gray color. And the accents match everything. Tie the wood in, beautiful maple wood. Coming back here, you do have the booth. And what this does is these fold up, and then this goes down for a extra bed. This has a lot of bedding in this coach. You have the Corian countertop right here with a dual stainless steel sink, the Moen faucet, a lot of nice drawers underneath. You do have the 3-burner stovetop with the convection microwave overhead. You do have a 4-door refrigerator. It's a Norcold, so it's going to be either electric or propane in this coach. So you have that extra fuel on board, which is very nice. You have the freezer up here with the ice maker. Coming back here, you have a split bath. So you have the commode over here, the sink in the middle. This is very nice, and a nice big shower right here. Corner shower, ambient lighting. This really works good. So coming back here into the bedroom, through the bath, features a king bed, beautiful accents, windows on either side for ventilation. Nice mirrors on this wardrobe back here, but look how big that wardrobe is. Full length items, storage up above. This coach has it all. Right here you have storage and a bank of drawers right there, but you can also put stackables in here, washer dryer if you like, or the combo version. Either way, it's all plumbed for that. Whoops, they go like that. Nice exit window right here, big bank of drawers. And you have the TV over here so you can watch it as you're reclining for the night. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. So coming up front, here just behind the cockpit is the entertainment center. I neglected to show this to you. This does have some solar up on board, your generator access right here, slide outs, everything right there at the touch of a button. A TV right here that actually opens up for some storage, just in case you have DVDs or Blu-rays or whatever. And then for heat and or ambience, the nice little fireplace down below. Now, this coach has the bed up here in the top, and you can fold this over, and it's a huge bed, very nice for kids. They really like that. Down here in the cockpit, you're on a Freightliner chassis. This has a 340 Cummins in this motorhome. You have your levelers there, your automatic transmission. This has 6,700 miles on it. Extremely comfortable down here in these seats. These are flex steel seating. This is just a great coach. It has a lot to offer, a lot more than I can get in this short video. So please call me if this is of interest to you. Let's go outside and take a look at the outside. Coming outside, you are on a big chassis on this vehicle. This is like a truck. Entertainment center out here, right there. Side open doors for storage. Pretty awesome. Right here, another little storage area. The big 22.5 tires, those are Michelin tires right there. Right here, you're going to have the propane tank. Again, a little bit of storage. Now this has full body paint, and this is blue, white, and black. This is just an absolutely beautiful coach. Coming towards the back, you have a tow hitch right there. That's a 10,000-pound hitch. Looking up above, you will have a backup camera to look at your tow vehicle. And then you also have side cameras to boot, so when you turn your blinker on, you can see what's coming down the side. I like how this slide out is so high up so that you can get down here underneath And look at your generator, which is an 8000, and get at it. Pretty impressive. This has the Truma AquaGo water heater, so that's hot water on demand. Right here is going to be your low point drains and your water bay. This is very nice. You have an outdoor shower, your disposal. This does have a macerator right there, and paper towels for cleanup. This coach has it all. 50 amp service, going to be right there on a cord reel, automatic cord reel, and then again storage underneath. One thing I want to show you is this motor. See how easy that is to open that up? That's a 340 Cummins right there. Hardly even broke in right now at this point. That's got all the power you need in this coach. This is the real deal right here, folks. I'll tell you what, if this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have on the campus, please feel free to give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.